Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python. Today we are going to learn check if a file exists before operating. So we have to check whether the file exists or not. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here we are using the module that is OS, okay, to check if the file exists before trying to read or write. So let's copy this one and let's try an example. Okay, so just comment this and let's scroll down. Okay, so import os inbuilt, so file path, so example.txt. So here we are checking the file exists or not. So here we go with this one. Already file.txt is exist. Okay, so it should return true for that one. Okay. Okay, so here you can all os.path exist. If it is exists, then read the content and print the content, right? Let's check with example 2 and let's see what will happen. File does not exist. So here you can check the existence also with the help of os.path.exist and the file name. Okay, this will help whether the file exists or not. Okay, that's very important also. Before doing any kind of operations, you have to check whether the file exists or not. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.